Like, this Bobbi Boss hair is everything. So what is the tea about this Bobbi Boss PELA hair? Don't you want to know? Coming right up. What's up? It's your girl King Cat back with another video. Period. I am rocking Bobbi Boss PELA. This is 100% human hair. This hair does come in 8 different lengths. It'll be 10 inches through 22 inches straight. They do have natural black and brown colors. They also have 613, and this hair can be dyed. Bobbi Boss PELA can be found around beauty retailers all over the nation. So you can go ahead and Google it up or walk right into your local beauty supply and get you some. Also, too, they do provide 4x5 closures like the one I am rocking today. So yeah, if you want to see how I achieve this look, let's get into it. But before you do that, sis, have you even subscribed or liked the video yet? I'll give you a minute, because what are you doing? All right, y'all, let's get into it. Okay, babe, so I started off with 2 packs of black hair, 2 packs of number 4 hair, and then I gave 1 pack of number 4 hair a bleach bath, which turned out to look like this. As you can see, it's still so shiny, and it's literally so soft. I didn't have any shedding, so this hair can definitely be dyed. I just wanted to give it a lighter touch so I can give myself a cute peekaboo. That peekaboo that you saw at the beginning of the video. Don't play, sis. Right after that, I prepped my closure by plucking it and bleaching the knots. Then I carved out where my closure was gonna go. I will not be going over how to mold your head down for a quick weave because I already did that in another video, so go ahead and check that out. However, the only difference is I did sew down my closure and I did sew down the perimeter of this ball cap, and I used a brown stocking cap for the ball cap method because it's just easier to do it all in one step for me on my own hair. And yeah, and I sewed on the closure first because it's also easier for me to lay tracks that way. So freaking soft. This is, now we're on the second pack of hair, and this is 100% human hair in case you were wondering. So Now that my tracks are laid, let me show you how to melt this lace one time. So I am using Erica J's watermelon flavored lace adhesive, and I'm going to apply one layer of this a little bit past my hairline, allow that to completely dry, and you know it's dry when the glue turns all white, and then I'm gonna cut off the melting cap and do it all over again and lay actually 2 to 3 layers, just for maximum hold. And yeah, this part does take a little while because sometimes it does take the glue to dry if it's not a super thin layer. But for the first layer, I mean, since you are using it to melt a lace, if that's the method that you choose to use, you can also use a holding spray, but I wanted to use glue because it does last longer that way. So that's what I did. And after that, I'm gonna use 3 layers of lace adhesive and show you how to lay these tracks, period. Actually, show you how to lay your lace, rather. Oh, one thing I did forget to mention, apply makeup that matches your skin tone on your bald cap and on the lace before you do the layers. Yeah. The layers after you cut the wig cap do not need to be thick layers. Actually, it works better if they are thin layers because they dry faster, and then yeah, like you can actually layer more on when it dries faster. So yeah, I applied 3 layers. Once again, depending on how long you plan on wearing your lace, you can decide between 2 to 4 layers. Yeah, like I said, I did 3. So at this point, I'm ready to lay the lace. I'm gonna push the lace in with my comb. This lace was so easy to work with, and I just really liked it. It blended really well. Obviously, you're gonna see that in a second. But yeah, so use a black hair wrap and an elastic band to lay it, and that is going to go ahead and melt into your skin and into the ball cap and into the glue. It's all going to come together while you're styling your hair. Also, you're going to need a wax stick. Use some wax, apply that to the part so that you can get your roots nice and flat, looking natural, to match that natural looking lace we just laid. And yeah, I love the coverage that this 5x4 closure gave me, and I really do like wearing closures. Frontals are cool, but I really like closures because they're not so hard to apply. Frontals is a little bit more work, so yeah, I definitely like frontal closures. I'm tongue twisted now. This is my favorite part, y'all. It's time to cut the lace. For best results, start in the middle and use a razor to work to the sides. Yes, this look is really coming together. So I'm just going to use a little bit more hairspray to just melt the part that we cut off a little bit further into the lace, and tie the closure down and style the hair. Yeah, we about to take it on home now. Shoot, look, and I'm about to be feeling myself in like 0.2 seconds. Watch, just you wait. Okay, so I literally just had a quick little break, and I took off my headband because it was hurting too long. It was a quick nail break. So let's get into the layers. So after I got my nails done, I did have my nail tech just give me a guide to start my layers with. She made the hair all even. I just really love a blunt cut. Oh yeah, and I added a little bit of makeup just to you know, just give a more skin-like finish. I kind of went overboard a little bit, so know when to stop. But I think this looks great. Like, this looks so natural. But yeah, I'm not really gonna get too much into how I cut the layers, but you know, you can see basically what I'm doing. I would rather show you on an actual client because it's just hard to explain because I think while I'm doing it, my hands go out of the frame, so it wouldn't even make sense. So yeah, but trust me, if you drop a comment if you want a layer video. But yeah, I got y'all. Just drop a comment, baby. I got you. Also, to curl my hair, I am using a Fabulous ceramic curling iron, and it is a 1 inch. It is in the size of 1 inch. Period. To add a bit of detail, a little bit of, you know, a little bit of spice, I like to just elevate the I don't even know what part of the hair you would call that. Just like the top, the front of it, just to give it a little dramatic effect. With the hot comb. You do it with the hot comb and some hairspray. Like, stop playing. Look at that lace. Now that I have my makeup on, let me just say that this hair was so fluffy, so lightweight, easy to use, easy to cut. Like, I can run my fingers through it. Look at the integrity of this bundle after I colored it. Like, this hair is giving life. Like, I have no shedding, not even from the dyed bundles. And sis, you know, like, even with those 613 bundles that you buy from, you know, the vendors and whatnot, like, you always have shedding. So I am shook, like, with this hair. This PELA hair is definitely going to be my new go-to because what? And I use 2.5 bundles. I say 2 and like, actually we can just go ahead and say that I used 4 bundles because really I had this much of the weft left. So yeah. Also too, I mean, this closure is giving me life. I love it. I just love how this look came out. I'm so happy. Like, I love it. Like, I'm ready to go out. Like, my nails are done and everything. Like, this hair is so beautiful. It's shiny. It has a natural I have not put any product except for the Kenra holding spray on it and the wax stick up here with a little bit of hairspray. But other than that, this is all natural shine, y'all. Like, get into it. Like, seriously, this Bobbi Boss color hair is A1, and you are missing out if you don't get into it, period. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys. See you on the next one. Peace. This hair is the bomb, y'all.